Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your heating problem in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, just click on settings. Then you have to go to the apps. Here it is see all apps. And then you have to click on search bar and right here settings like this and click on settings, then click on storage and cache and just clear cache this. Simply press back. Again you have to go to search bar and write here Google Play Services, then clear cache this also and simply press back. And you have to just turn off the background data by clicking on any app. Click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Here it is background data, so you can just turn off background data from all the app, so it will not use your background data when your phone is in sleep mode or not in use, so it will not heat your smartphone friends. Then you have to turn off your auto update feature from your Play Store and as well as on your software update also. So you can just go to Play Store, click on this profile pic and click on settings. Here it is network preference, click on auto update apps. So you can just click on don't auto update, you can just update it manually. And as a same, you have to go to the settings, then you can just simply go to the software update, system update, and you can just turn off from by clicking on upgrade setting and turn off this smart upgrade automatically download upgrade packages over Wi-Fi or mobile network, so it will not heat your smartphone when it will not in use. Friends, do not charge your smartphone while playing, so it will burn your smartphone and it will also effect of blast also, so don't do that friends. You should not overcharge your smartphone by going through 100% and still charging, so it will affect your battery life of your smartphone also, so don't do that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.